education is third, and therefore we have to educate our children. Now see, this is therefore it is connecting two sentences. Okay, two sentences they are going to be connected there because of this connection. Okay, so therefore we have to educate our children. It is very essential for preserving our independence. However, without modern education, without modern education, it will be very difficult to get progress. And this is our we have to upgrade the system of education and way of teaching. Modern education is the only cure of our social and economic diseases. Without modern education, the survival of Pakistan would be quite impossible. Now see, we have to connect ideas. Without the connection of the ideas, now see, education, we have to stick on education. We have not to talk here and there. We have to stick on the point. When we are writing the paragraph, we have to stick on the education. We have to stick on our idea. Without sticking on the idea, it will be very difficult to write a well-connected paragraph. Now see, education is third eye of man. Means it is very essential. And then therefore, we have, in this regard, we have connected it. We have to educate our children. It is very essential for preserving our independence. Why preserving our independence? Because if we will not be progress nation, if we will not progress properly, then it will be very impossible for us to get progress and to compete with the modern civilized nations. It is very essential for preserving our independence. However, without modern education, it will be very difficult to get progress. For getting progress, education is necessary. Okay, for preserving independence, education is necessary. In this regard, we have to upgrade the system of education and way of teaching. Modern education is the only cure of our social and economic disease. Another point is education. Third eye, education for preserving independence, education for salvation of the progress. Education is necessary to sort out the disease, but such as social diseases, political diseases, whatever, or still not a proper democratic country, and economic diseases, economic problems are there, inflation is there, unemployment is there, our industry is not working properly. All this is not a complete, still we have to write a few other sentences, but in this way we have to start writing or drafting. Writing and drafting, first of all, needs your knowledge, not only knowledge, but your reading skills as well. You have to read more and more. First of all, you have to start and read more and more, and then after that you have to start writing. Suppose you have to read Dawn newspaper. Okay, try to imitate the sentences. Of the Dawn. Suppose Dawn writes on the current issues, current matters they are discussed in the Dawn, and then Dawn also writes on articles as well as editorials. You have to try to read one, and then try to imitate the language of the Dawn. You will say, sir, the language of Dawn is very difficult. No, it will be difficult first. When you will start, then it will be easy with the process of time. Bit by bit it will be easy for you people. जैसे ही मकसद के डान जो है वो आप स्टार्ट करेंगे तो आपको बहुत मुश्किल लगेगा, मगर जैसे ही आप थोड़ा सा आगे चलेंगे, पढ़ते रहेंगे तो आपके लिए इजी बनती जाएगी. दूसरी बात ये कि डेवलपमेंट ऑफ बुक है सेंटेंस. अब पहली बात ये कि सेंटेंस कैसे लिखने हैं. अब आप देखें एक बात, इज नाउ आप देखते जाएंगे. विदाउट विल, देखिए ये विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर चलता है. इन दिस रिगार्ड वी हैव, देखो इज हैव. ऐसे नहीं कहीं में वाज लगा दिया मैंने, कहीं मैंने इज लगा दिया, कहीं पास्ट, कहीं प्रेजेंट, कहीं फ्यूचर. लो, प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर साथ में चलता है. प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर इट गोज विथ टुगेदर. वी हैव एंड देन नाउ सी education is only. So if we are going to write another point that I am going to tell you now, that's very much important. I am going to repeat it. Drafting, writing. Either in present or in past. About education, you can't write in the past. You can give any reference in the past, but you can't write in the past because education is a current topic. So therefore, you have to go on, right? You have to go on in this way. So writing either in present or in past. So this is what आपको या तो प्रेजेंट में लिखना है और या तो पास्ट में लिखना है. जैसे मैंने आई हैव रिटन इन द प्रेजेंट. सो प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर साथ में होता है. प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर याद रखिएगा. प्रेजेंट के साथ फ्यूचर चलता है, प्रेजेंट के साथ पास्ट के साथ फ्यूचर नहीं होता. तो जैसे he says he will go tomorrow. He says he will go tomorrow. This is he will go. This is future. ठीक है? And this is present. अगर suppose यहाँ पर आप जो है ये देखते हैं, he said. that he go. Next one. Now see here, he said. He said is the past. Now you can't apply will, but it would be he goes. Go next day and tomorrow will not come. ये चीजें हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं अगेन एंड अगेन. नाउ यू हैव टू डू द प्रैक्टिस. प्रैक्टिस याद करें नहीं करेंगे तो इट विल बी प्रॉब्लमेटिक फॉर यू पीपल. अगर आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते तो आपके लिए मसला हल सॉल्व नहीं होगा. ये प्रैक्टिस करने जैसे पास है तो पास के साथ हमने ये बनाया, हमने मॉडर्न वर्ब्स भी इस्तेमाल किए, हमने वी हैव लर्न द मॉडर्न वर्ब्स एज वेल. ये टेंसेस अगेन रिपीट करने का रीजन यही था कि हमें पता चले कि कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर किसके साथ आती है. हमने तो सिंपल सेंटेंसेस सीखे, अभी ये कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस हैं. जब कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस आते हैं तो वहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है. सो वी हैव टू लर्न कि हाउ वी हैव टू राइट, व्हिच स्ट्रक्चर वी हैव टू यूज, कौन सी स्ट्रक्चर यूज करनी है. इसी तरीके से हमें कनेक्टर इस्तेमाल करके वी हैव टू ब्यूटिफाई आवर लैंग्वेज. और याद रखें कि जैसे आप लोगों की ड्राफ्टिंग होती है उसमें स्पेलिंग एरर्स भी बहुत होती है. स्पेलिंग एरर्स नहीं होनी चाहिए. आपके सेंटेंसेस सिंपल सेंटेंसेस होने चाहिए या कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस होने चाहिए, बट यू मस्ट बी क्लियर फ्रॉम योर आइडिया. आपका आइडिया क्लियर होना चाहिए. आपकी पैराग्राफ जो है, जो टॉपिक है उसके ऊपर ही होनी चाहिए, इधर उधर की बातें नहीं हो, टू द पॉइंट होनी चाहिए. और ये जो पैराग्राफ है एटलीस्ट जो है दैट पैराग्राफ must contain 10 to 15 sentences. 10 to 15 sentences की पैराग्राफ होनी चाहिए. और सच है अभी आप जो है जैसे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आप प्रैक्टिस में कैसे मसले के वो करेंगे. इसी प्रैक्टिस से करते हुए आप जो है नेक्स्ट वीक जो अगर आप आज जब आते हैं तो मुझे ऑफिस में, मेरे ऑफिस में या कहीं भी आ जाना, मुझे चेक करवा लेना कि वो क्या करना है. सपोज अब COVID-19 and following SOPs, SOPs, ये आप इस पर लिख कर आए, ठीक है. या प्रॉब्लम्स इन एजुकेशन सेक्टर, या ये लिख कर आएगा. एक कोई पैराग्राफ लिख के इन दोनों पे मुझे चेक कराने की, मगर लिखेंगे 10 सेंटेंसेस. ठीक, वो लिखेंगे 10 सेंटेंस. दैट इज योर होमवर्क. ये कोई असाइनमेंट नहीं है, दैट इज अ होमवर्क. इस पर 10 सेंटेंस लेके एक पैराग्राफ फॉर्म में कनेक्टर्स को इस्तेमाल करके ये मुझे नेक्स्ट वीक जो है आगे चेक कराएंगे. और जो है कोशिश करना कि ये जो हमने कनेक्टर्स इस्तेमाल किए हैं इन कनेक्टर्स को आप इस्तेमाल करके आइएगा कोशिश करके. ओके, सो आई होप सो यू विल कम देन वी विल डिस्कस. और राइटिंग और ड्राफ्टिंग जो है ना, ये प्रैक्टिकल काम है. यू हैव टू डू इट. ये प्रैक्टिकल काम जो है आपको करना होगा.
Assalamu alaikum dear students. So series of lecture is going on, and that these lectures are related to functional English, and particularly in this semester we will be discussing about drafting skills. We have discussed gender wise, we have discussed tenses, we have discussed other things. Suppose today we are discussing about the connectors in the drafting. Connectors क्या होते हैं? Connectors are also called the conjunctions. The role of conjunctions in drafting. Whenever we are going to write sentence, so conjunctions basically join two words, okay, or two sentences, two clauses or two sentences. Such as we are going to say however, in this way, hence, but, whether, okay. So these are called the connectors or conjunctions. Yeah, you can say ain't. So these connectors basically they join or beautify the language. Drafting means to writing skills. When we can write a sentence, correct sentence, then we have to connect correct sentences into the paragraph, and paragraphs are connected into the essays. This is the way of the learning. So bit by bit we have to learn. Suppose these connectors are conjunctions. Although in this regard so these, how they are used? He worked, could not get success. Now see, when two ideas, yeah, you can say two classes are vice versa to one another, this is called vice versa, against, opposite to one another, then you have to use but. Tick, but. Now see, he worked but could not get success. उसने मेहनत की मगर सक्सेस हासिल नहीं कर सका. ठीक, that is what but, role of the but. They have invited the PM, but he is very busy, so he may not come. Now see, there are two conjunctions. One conjunction is vice versa, he is very busy, they have invited but. Now see, this is conjunction, but is conjunction, and then he is very busy, so he may not. He busy है, ये दोनों ideas जो है वो vice versa नहीं है. Therefore so is also what? Conjunction. So this is one class and this is another class. This is one class, this is second class, and this is the third class. Now see, this is what? Right? So this is what, okay, they have invited the PM but he is very busy, so he may not come. Now see, three clauses are there and three clauses are used in the sentence. In this way we generate the ideas with the connection of the connector. When we connect the connectors, then we generate the ideas. Suppose in this type of the sentences, when we connect, then it means we will be able to write paragraphs. See? So we will further learn about using of these connectors in different sentences. Now, suppose we are going to develop the sentences. How we are going to develop? I am going to rub it. Suppose our topic is education. Our topic is education. Education, suppose we are writing and we have to use these connectors. Education is third eye of man. यहाँ man is means mankind, इंसान जात, male as well as female. Education is third eye of man. Therefore this connect. Therefore हम शहबाज भाई इधर देखें. ये देखो हो रही है।